my goodness. What's he done? What's he done?
He's an elf party.
He's brought us a North Pole breakfast. How cool is that? What's he brought? What can you see? And pancakes and cakes and popcorn. Popcorn for breakfast? Yeah. Look what he's done to the table. He's wrapped it up like a present. He must have worked all night on that, mustn't he? The little bits of confetti.
Canes as well.
Yeah. He's sat there, look, waiting for you. Want me to pass you him? You missed him.
Look what he's done as well.
I know. He's clever, isn't he?
Maybe his buddy will put them on the tree for you overnight.
And in the morning I'll say thank you for them. It's a nice colour. The rest of the
So we're just on our way to Toby's Christmas party at Nursery. Only I'm allowed to go in. It was one or the other, either me or Matt, but I'm going to take him in. And Matt's going to spend some time with Liv. It's just for a couple of hours. And after that we're going to go to Ikea. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film while I'm in there. I'm going to use my phone though, just so it's a bit less conspicuous. And I'm going to leave this camera with Matt so you can see what him and Livy get up to. Did you win the pasta parcel? Did you win it? Yeah? Yeah. Who's coming in? Who's coming in? Oh, it's Olaf. Can you see Olaf? No. Have you just seen Santa? You're going to open your present? You're going to open it? You're not opening it? No? Okay. What are you playing with? What are you playing with? We're going to go now. I'm going to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Come on then, buddy.
So we've got home, made Livy some lunch, and we're going to play aqua beads afterwards. I think we're going to make some kind of monkey, aren't we, Liv?
Yeah, and a pine tree and a sun.
Yeah. Right, you eat up all your lunch and then we'll make you monkey, yeah?
Yeah.
Good girl.
On there. What are you doing?
I'm getting up.
Careful, Tobes. Down you get. Down you get. Good boy. What have you spotted? Like ours, aren't they? Don't leave your elf in there.
He's magic.
Someone will pinch him.
He's magic.
He's magic. Where are you going, Tobes? All these things you can touch. What, darling? What, darling? What's in the file? Oh, it's fabrics. Oh no, Livy's gone to sleep. We're going to have to leave you in Ikea. Come on, up you get. Come on. Ringing Sissy, Toby. Has she gone to the play area? Say hi, Sissy. We'll see you soon. What are you doing?
This is my no letter phone.
Is it?
It's got words on it and it's a letter, but it's a phone as well. So I'm ringing Santa. This bit means you can talk louder. When you're talking little, quiet, this bit can turn it louder.
All right. Are you going to go and open your second book, Evan?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Yeah. Buddy was waiting for me.
Open it up there and see which one you got. Oh, Toby's not happy.
I already know. Peppa.
Which one is it? Let's have a look. Peppa goes ice skating. We're going to read it? Yeah? Today, Peppa and George are going ice skating. They have not been skating before. Don't worry, George, says Peppa. Ice skating looks easy. I'll show you how to do it.